Welcome to our full guide on how to add topics to your space in X. If you're looking to categorize and organize your content effectively, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device and locate the add or plus icon. This icon is typically found in the navigation bar or on the main screen. Tap on it to begin creating a new space. Step 2. Once you're in the space creation menu, look for the option labeled Spaces. Tap on it to access the space settings and information. Step 3. In the space settings, you'll find the option to edit the information. Tap on it to customize the details of your space, such as the title, description, and any other relevant information you'd like to add. Make sure to provide a clear and concise description to attract the right audience. Step 4. Now, it's time to add topics to your space to help users find it more easily. Look for the Add Topics option and tap on it. Step 5. In the Topics selection menu, browse through the available options or use the search function to find topics that are related to the subject of your space. Tap on the topics that are most relevant and aligned with the content you'll be sharing. By following these simple steps, you can add topics to your space in X, ensuring that your content is properly categorized and discoverable by users interested in those specific topics. Thank you for watching, and may your spaces in X be organized and attract the right audience for your content.